In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase Zoom volume. If people sound too quiet on your calls, Zoom gives you a built-in way to boost what you hear without affecting anyone else. We'll walk through it together so you can get clear, comfortable audio in just a minute. Start by opening Zoom and going to the home screen. Once you're there, look to the top right corner and click your profile picture. That opens a small menu where you can get to the app's controls. Choose Settings to open the Full Preferences window. In the Settings window, select the Audio section. This is where Zoom controls both your speaker output and your microphone input. We're focusing on the speaker side first. Under Speakers, you'll see a list of available playback devices. Pick the device you actually use to listen during meetings. This could be your laptop speakers, a USB headset, Bluetooth earbuds, or a monitor with built-in speakers. Choosing the correct device is key because turning up the wrong one won't change what you hear. Next, click Test Speaker. Zoom will play a short tone through the device you selected. While that sound is playing, use the volume slider right below to increase or decrease the level. Slide it to the right to make the tone louder until it's comfortably clear but not harsh. If you don't hear anything during the test, it usually means the wrong speaker is selected. Simply switch to another option in the list and click Test Speaker again. As you adjust, remember that this slider controls Zoom's output level. It's separate from your computer's master volume and any physical volume controls on your speakers or headphones. If the test tone is still faint even at higher settings here, that typically indicates your device or system volume is set low. Once the volume sounds good, click Stop to end the test. Your changes are saved automatically, so the next time you join a meeting, the audio will use the device and volume you just set. That's all it takes to increase Zoom volume. Selecting the right speaker, using the test, and fine-tuning the slider ensures voices come through clearly. If you regularly switch between devices, it's a good habit to pop back into these audio settings and run a quick test before an important call. Thanks for watching and enjoy your next louder, clearer Zoom meeting.